Hello everyone, this is my full course of JavaScript. If you're new to web development, this is your career game changer. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to this video. If you are new to this channel, you can check my previous videos so you can understand the JavaScript fundamentals. Okay, now get back to the topic. Dev tool. Okay, you can use the dev tool in your web browser. You can use any browser. Okay, I am using Chrome. You can use Edge, Firefox, Chrome, or anything. Okay, now we can use the dev tool in three different way. The first way is you can click inspect. You can see the dev tool here. You can expand this session so you can see it clearly. Okay, I close this. The second way you can try is you can click these three dots and you can see more tools. Here you can click developer tools, so you access from here also. The third way is you can click Control Shift I. It will open the dev tool. Okay, this is the third way. I'm showing the three different way, so you can use the which way is convenient for you. I am using Control Shift I. Okay, now the second one, you can change this position of the dev tool. Okay, for example, here you can see the three dots, right? Customize and control dev tool. Just click this, you can see the position. Okay, for example, if I click this left means you can see this is arranged to left side. I click this to bottom means it will goes to bottom. If I click to pop up means it will open in a separate window. Okay, now I am using bottom position. So fine, this is our dev tool. So here you can see the multiple tabs in this dev tool. Now our focus is console. Okay, inside the console you can use JavaScript. Okay, for example, you can uh, console.log print hello world. Okay, wow. This is a basic for a recording. Okay, just typing hello world. Okay, and I close this. You can see hello world is printed, right? Okay, now I will do some different thing. For example, let is a variable. Okay, I mean variable. You will see this in upcoming videos. Just understand our data will store to this variable. Okay, I'm using let message equal to javascript is fun. Okay, I'm assigning this variable, I mean this string javascript is fun to the message variable. Okay, I just clicked, so it's assigned to message variable. I can see the message variable again. Okay, for example, I am printing by using console.log message. Okay, if I click enter, you can see the value. You can check with the different way also. You can just type message, it will show the value. Okay, next we'll go little deep. Okay, for example, we can use if else. Okay, I'm using if message equal to triple equal to. Okay, wow, this is a comparison operator. You can see this in upcoming videos. Just understand, the message equal to javascript is fun. Okay, if it's true means just console true one. Okay, okay, wow, just print. See, you can see if so it's a true one, so it's printing true. Okay, now we can change this variable value also. For example, I am redeclaring that variable, I mean reassigning the variable message equal to javascript is fast. JavaScript is very fast. Okay, I'm just clicking enter. So this JavaScript is very fast is assigned to message variable. You can check this using console or message again. can just type message. You can see JavaScript is very fast. So the JavaScript is fun is replaced by JavaScript is fast. Okay, now we can check again. Okay, wow. For example, if I am again typing if statement, or you no need to type it again and again, you can just click up arrow, you can see the previous messages. See, JavaScript is very fast. Before that we added if statement, right? Here we can check again and click just enter, showing undefined. Okay, because if it is true only it will be executed. So now we change the message value to the JavaScript is very fast. So it's checking the message value with JavaScript is fun, so it is not mismatch. So it's not mismatch, so this console will not executed. Okay, this is the basic thing. You can just understand what are the things we can do in this console. Okay, well, here we can do some arithmetic operation. For example, I am adding three numbers, 10 plus 55 plus 20. Okay, if you click this means it will give the addition value. You can do multiplication, subtraction, or many things. So you can use this console like a calculator. Okay, I think this is the basic thing. You can just understand. You can do many things using this console. So we'll deep dive into this in upcoming videos. That's it, guys.